calling out all creative Filipino youth nationwide in celebration of the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations between the Philippines and the People's Republic of China. The Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry Incorporated invites you to be part of an exciting event, a special TikTok video competition. This initiative, organized by the Federation's Youth and Integration Committee in partnership with the Federation's Media and Public Information Committee, aims to highlight the milestones, shared history, and evolving partnership between our two nations through creative digital storytelling. So we're calling on all talented individuals aged 18 to 35 to share your unique stories and artistic expressions. As you can see, there are fantastic prizes to be won, which our President earlier mentioned. Our grand prize is 100,000 peso, no, which is up for grabs, plus special citations. So get inspired by the themes, unleash your creativity in a 1 to 2 minutes TikTok video. Remember to use the hashtag PHChina50years and tag at FFCCCII.official. Don't miss the submission deadline. Will be on May 27, 2025, and you can scan the QR code. No? The QR code is here, no? To register. No? And on the poster to register and upload your entry. So let's all celebrate this significant milestone together. We can't wait to see your amazing videos. Now, for the guidelines, I will let our co-chairman, Jason Che, discuss this matter.
Let us now welcome the FFCCCII Youth Committee Co-Chairman, Mr. Jason Che, to add to the details and good news.
Thank you for all the media friends who came today, and also the colleagues from FFCCCII. So this is a very meaningful project. So hopefully a lot of young Filipino can join this project. So first of all, this TikTok video will be limited to 1 to 2 minutes. TikTok video that should be uploaded to TikTok and also emailed and upload to. When you scan the QR code, you will go to a form which you can input your name, age, and details, and also here you can upload your video. So who may join this competition? This competition will be open to all young Filipinos aged 18 to 35 years old. So for them to be eligible to claim if ever they win, they need to present one valid ID, and we do not allow substitution in claiming the prize. So each individual or team may submit one entry only. And participants must not be affiliated to any FFCCCII members. For the language, any Filipino dialect must include English subtitle. Format MP4, vertical, portrait, because TikTok video is, we watch it vertically. Yeah. Then suggested themes, key milestone in 50 years of PH-China diplomatic relations. Personal or community stories reflecting the impact of PH-China friendship. Artistic interpretation of shared cultural or historical ties, and aspiration for the future of bilateral relations. All entries must be entirely original. Any form of plagiarism or content that is defamatory, obscene, or inappropriate will be disqualified. So again, thank you everyone for joining this press conference, and hopefully we can all share this wonderful project to let more young Filipino, even student can join. So yeah, hopefully we can invite more people to join. Thank you.